How you can get Zoom on your Mac. So it's pretty simple. I'm gonna guide you through the installation. All you need to do is to search for Zoom for Mac and you will find Download Zoom for Mac website. So you can open it and here you can find Zoom for Mac. You have available two options. One is for Apple Silicon and one is for Intel, even if you are on Mac. If you have M1, M2, etc. chip, you can download for Apple Silicon, and if you have Intel, download this version. You can find it if you click on Apple logo about this Mac, and here should be if you have Intel or M chip. So I got the M chip and I'm gonna download for Apple Silicon. Simply click on save and wait until it's downloaded. Now simply open the downloaded file. Here is the introduction. You can click on continue. Choose if you want all users installation or only for you and click on install. Also enter here your password and now it should be done. So you can close this window and now you can use Zoom on your Mac. So you can simply sign in or just click join a meeting without signing up. So that's how you can get Zoom on your Mac. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.